Hello friends, today we are going to talk about a very important topic, the reality of IT jobs and the future of careers in the IT industry. Many people nowadays are saying that IT jobs are disappearing or that AI has taken over all the work. You might have heard statements like IT industry is finished, AI will replace programmers, there are no jobs left in technology. But is that really the truth? Let's discuss this honestly. My name is Dharamveer and I have 9 years of experience in the IT industry. During these years, I have seen many technologies rise and fall. One thing I have learned is that technology never destroys opportunities, it only changes them. The people who say IT jobs are finished are often those who did not upgrade their skills with time. Technology is always evolving. If we stop learning, we automatically fall behind. Now, let's talk about artificial intelligence, AI. Many people think AI is some kind of magic or miracle, but in reality, AI is also just software built by developers. Behind AI systems, there are algorithms, mathematics, programming, databases, servers, machine learning models. All of these things are designed and developed by engineers and programmers. So if AI exists, it actually means more opportunities for people who understand technology. Let's take the example of ChatGPT. Earlier, when we searched something on Google, we used to get hundreds of different links and answers. Because of that, we had to read multiple websites to find the correct information. But tools like ChatGPT make this process easier by providing a clear and summarized answer quickly. But remember, AI itself is created using programming data and engineering. So AI is not replacing developers. Instead, it is changing the way developers work. In the past, many programmers used to work with only one programming language, and that was enough for a long time. But today, the industry is different. If you want to build a long-term career in IT, you must keep upgrading your skills. For example, a good developer today should have knowledge of front-end development, means UI, design, user experience. Back-end development means APIs, servers, and databases. Also, cloud technologies, AI tools, and automation. The key to survival in the IT industry is continuous learning. Technology will keep changing, but those who keep learning will always stay relevant. This is a very big topic, and we will discuss more about it in upcoming videos. For today, that's all. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind and best of luck.